Hello, Dr. Keith Smith with you once again on behalf of the Free Market Medical Association, joined by my good friend Chad Schmidt. Chad, thanks for being with us once again. It occurred to me watching the Super Bowl that the only people that seem to be able to afford to buy ads are either government agencies, not-for-profit hospitals, or
pharmaceutical manufacturers.
And I wondered, as a physician, why would pharmaceutical manufacturers directly contact patients in that way? It seems like a patient would present with an issue and a physician would respond with a treatment. But this is almost like ginning up demand for some service or product. What's going on?
It's called a 10-to-1 return on investment. If we're sick, we have an ailment, regardless of what it is, we want to go find a cure for that ailment or something to make it better. And they know that we're susceptible to that kind of advertising, whether we need it or not.
So the advertising is to gin up demand for a certain drug or pharmaceutical product, the need for which is questionable, but with its gray, I could see as a physician, if a patient were demanding something, it would be more difficult for me to say no, particularly if it were in the gray zone, if I did not feel it was indicated. And how does the money flow? Who profits from this primarily? Because most people would think, well, the drug company sells this drug and somebody pays for it and that's it. But it's more complicated, isn't it?
Well, certainly the drug company makes money on that. But you also have your middleman that are in the middle of pharmacy benefit manager.
The distributor.
The distributor that is actually contracting and placing that drug as a preferred item on their formulary and allowing that item to be dispensed based on the plan design.
At a price much greater than what they actually purchase it from the drug manufacturer.
Correct, because they have rebates involved.
And then they get money back that might or might not be disclosed ultimately to the buyer.
In part or in total, correct.
The only other point I'll make, in my suspicion, is that many times I felt like the pharmaceutical companies buy advertising to be such a giant customer of big media that big media is less likely to do awful stories about all the rest of what they do. But that's speculative. I'll just throw that out there and we'll end this video blog there. Thank you for joining me. Chad, thanks again for being with us.
Thanks for having me.
We'll see you next time.